What up? Owe me back like you owe your tax. 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 Owe me back like...
Hey my loves, I'm back with another wig review. So today's wig review is by ReadyWig. Before we get into today's wig review, I just want to say, if you're not subscribed to me, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and hit that subscription button down below and then hit the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I upload new wig reviews, okay? So, and also thank you to my returning subscriber. I appreciate you and love you so much. Okay? So today's wig review is by ReadyWig. I did do a wig review for them a while back. The wig was really nice. I will put the link above. It is a get ready with me video. I did it like that because that's how they requested. But today we're just going to discuss the actual wig. As you can see, I did not put my foundation on yet because you guessed it, it's a light colored wig. So I took her, well, I sort of took her out. So this is how she came. I love the packaging. It says, I love that we met and hope you enjoy the hair. ReadyWig.com. And they sent me a free spray bottle. I don't really use those on my wig, but you know, I guess, you know what, it'll be good to go around like in the summer when it's really hot and you walk around like spray my face. It'd be good if it was a mister. Anyway, I got 2 free wig caps. These are light colored wig caps. I think I like this one too because I think I will wear this one too, because the wig is the same color as the wig, so if the wind blows you will not see the wig cap through the wax. So it comes packaged really nice. It is soft lace, and unfortunately the lace does not match my complexion, but we will take care of that. She is a nice golden bob. Okay, I saw this color and I was like, this is a blonde that I can get into, so we're gonna try her. Okay, it is like a closure parting type of wig. Okay, she is a lace front wig with that parting space in the middle, 4x4 parting space. And yeah, she kind of, you know, she has that typical synthetic wig bump, but we're gonna take care of that. Let's see. There's 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and the adjustable straps. I'm gonna go ahead and put her on, and so you can see what she looks like before I actually customize her, because you know we're going to customize her. Okay, so this is how she looks on. Lace still attached. Oh, let me pump my chair up. Okay, lace still attached. The texture is a silky texture. Let's see what else. All right, nothing really. The hairline does need some customization. We can work on that. We're gonna work on the hairline, the parting space. It does go back further. It's just we're gonna pluck the the parting. I'm gonna leave it as a middle part and cut the lace, tint the lace to match me. And yeah, let me see.
Okay guys, so here I put the wig on the mannequin head and I'm just pulling the one side back. I usually work when I pluck the lace, I work one side at a time. I also go ahead and pull out like one small I guess the first layer of the hairline, and I pluck behind it, and I also pluck a little bit out of that. That's basically going to be the baby hair section, and I just do one line at a time. When it comes to synthetic wigs, you want to be forceful but gentle because you don't want to rip the lace, but these fibers are so strong it does not pluck as easily as a human hair wig will pluck. So you just want to part, and I go back maybe 3 or 4 parts before I stop. Okay, you want to make sure that the flow of how you pluck the wig it flows into the hairline, because you can pluck maybe like 1 or 2 rows, but then you'll see like the hairline behind it, which is really dense. So this hairline, it looks like they tried to do like a pre-plucked thing, but it wasn't plucked good enough, and it didn't go back far enough. So that's what I basically worked on, was making it look a little bit more flow. The flow of the hairline was more realistic, and the further I went back, the harder it was to pluck. Like, it's like the knots got bigger and bigger as you go back, and then it was just really, really hard to pluck out. But I did. Okay guys, so I'm speeding through this part because y'all see me thin out the hair time and time again on a lot of videos. And just so, if you're new to my channel, I will link in the description box below a detailed video on how I thin out my wigs. But that's what I'm doing here. I'm taking some thinning shears and thinning the wig out so it won't be so bulky towards the roots and on the ends. I thinned it out a lot, and in my opinion it still looks too bulky, but y'all be the judge and let me know in the end. Okay my loves, this was after I laid the wig down with the Got2b Glue Ultra Gel and the Blasting Freeze Spray, and I'm just covering up my widow's peak. I don't know what you call them. My hair just comes down further on the sides, and I just wanted to cover that because I'm not shaving my side just for a wig.
So guys, I'm back. I thinned the wig out, plucked the hairline, plucked the part, added powder. I did my makeup, so I did get some makeup on the wig, but like I said, with blonde wigs, sometimes that's inevitable. It actually helps the wig to blend better into your skin. So now what we have to do is get rid of these bumps, okay? Because these bumps is not cute at all. And I want it to look more natural. So some of the hair is still coming out, but whatevs. So let me get my flat iron on, and then we can get this wig together one last time. But see how these bumps are, and it's really not that natural in my opinion. So, and I have a small head, so this wig probably will fit a large head, medium to large heads. My head is really small, so it is gapping in the back, so that's a con for me, but that's something that the wig companies really can't help. They're going to cater to the majority, and obviously you're going to cater to the majority size heads, okay? Unfortunately. This flat iron, I got it from Amazon. It heats up pretty quickly. So 300 seems okay. Probably could do a lower heat than that, like a 200 or whatnot. Not mean 200, like 270 or something like that. So the last step is a dry shampoo. Just to dull it down a little bit more. But I have a special dry shampoo for blonde hair. This is by Batiste, and it's with a hint of color. So it kind of like takes away the shine and adds a little bit of color. This is good because it doesn't give it a white overcast, because it has that little bit of color. They have one for every hair color, so that's good. You could do the flip over method. I think the part, like, let's see. Okay, so guys, my overall thoughts on this wig is that I don't know, I don't mind it. I wish it was more of a yucky texture, but overall I think that it's a really nice wig. I love the color. Okay girls, so what do you think about the wig? What do you think about my modifications to the wig? Let me know down in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more pictures. The link to my Instagram will be down in the description box below, along with my Twitter and my Facebook. Feel free to follow me there. Love you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.